Morning everybody, Joe from Cold Springs RV in Ware, New Hampshire. Showing you one of our new park models. It's a $399 loft by Sierra. Definitely a nice rig. Brand new floor plan for 2019. We're probably the first dealership that's actually getting our hands on one. Don't mind, I got a cold. Nice and tall. Just a gorgeous floor plan. Two opposing slides up front. You got a slide for the bedroom. Got some nice features here. You got the awning light. LED lighted speakers as well. Let's head inside. So you look at the bedroom. Slider doors on the bedroom on the bed for now. But you do get a very large footprint for your bedroom. The solid steps actually attach outside the slider door if you decide not to put a porch or a deck on. Closet is huge. Washer dryer plumbed. Plenty of space in there. Let's head up to the loft. There's nice lighted steps to the loft. Little cubby storage here as well. Huge amount of space in here. Sleep a couple adults. Plenty of kids. It's all carpeted, so it's designed to take a little cushion so you can't hear it so much downstairs. Stairs are nice and big too. A lot of these loft models really drop the ball on the stairs. These guys didn't. The bathroom. Skylight overhead. You've got air conditioning here, of course. Full glass shower enclosure. Porcelain toilet. Large sink. Nice medicine cabinet. Shower's awesome. You even have a spot to sit down. My favorite area of the coach right here is the front living room. This thing is just phenomenal. Tons of storage overhead. Plenty of seating. Fireplace and the Bluetooth stereo come with it, of course. Big TV, plenty of storage. You got your dinette set with your theater seating. You got track lighting go right underneath the slides here. And of course you got LED lights. You also have USB connections in here, so if you're sitting on the couch you can charge your phone. Kitchen is huge in this. You got a nice big island here with dual bowl stainless sinks with a pull-out faucet sprayer. One thing about Sierra is they do such a nice job on their drawers, but it's the way they close too. They're all soft close drawers. As you can see, you got tons of storage. You get storage. Real size microwave. 3-burner cooktop. What I really like is the new light up handles. These are pretty nice, and you can actually leave these on all the time if you want. But it definitely makes it nice. You do have an oven light in there as well, so you can see what's going on. Pretty deep oven as well. Pots and pans drawer right underneath. Not really lacking in this floor plan. Of course, you've got your pantry here with 3 pull-out shelves. What's nice about the shelves, it's the same concept, soft close. Residential LG refrigerator with pull-out bottom freezer. Plenty of room in this, especially going seasonal with this. You got a regular fridge on board. You don't have to worry about having to fit and push everything together. Monitor panels in one spot makes it easier for everything. Your tanks, your lights. Big thing. Let me pan back. You can kind of get an idea what this looks like. Lots of floor space. I love the accent lighting they do in here. Blue just looks good in here. Even the fixtures, I mean, a lot of the fixtures are doing. You got a ceiling fan in here as well as a more of a residential light sconce up here. 2 air conditioners in this unit, obviously, to keep it cool in the summertime. If you have any questions on this unit or you want to come down and take a look, it's located at Cold Springs RV in Ware, New Hampshire. We'll be glad to walk you through it and definitely looking to earn some business.